All right, time to review the fraud. I'm a fraud, guys. I lost 200 today. Good thing I'm de-risked. Otherwise, it would have been 500. So, dang, I'm really not in the mood to talk right now. Let's do it. All right, daily profile, is set up. Based on midnight open, it's set up for New York reversal. Someone was telling me today that the London price action matters. I've never looked at it. But today, the high time frame was so obviously bullish that I don't know. I should have been more cautious today, just because there's literally zero reason for us to come back to midnight open. So we opened up, came into this order block, came into this value gap, and I was actually open to longs. I was open to fading my daily profile because the higher time frame is so obviously bullish. There's no point in fading that. So I got in with ultra light size on this trade. Off this fair value gap, stops below this order block, got stopped out to the tick on some absurd stuff, bro. Literally, this was my trade. Or something like that. I don't remember my stop loss being that big. I probably got filled here or something. But literally, bro, this is not an exaggeration. Stopped out to the tick and then went and took this high. So, it is what it is. And then this is where this was a trade that I knew was dumb, but I took it anyways. So the macro started, and we pulled into this inverse gap. And just because the daily profile is bearish, we had the SMT at the highs, everything like that, I took these shorts like an idiot. This was a really bad trade. This is a trade that I know I shouldn't have took. In the moment, it felt questionable, but I took it anyways. And I was just gonna take it to London lows. It's just not a good trade, and I know it's not a good trade, so that one easily should have got cut out. I think today also could have easily been a no trade day, because like I said, from what I saw, the daily profile didn't necessarily align with what I actually wanted from the market. So for this take profit to hit, we would have had to invalidate a 1 hour order block, and if we're being realistic, that just wasn't gonna happen. So there was literally no need for me to be in this trade. That was a waste of an L. And then I ended up longing after, because that was the trade that I should have took. These longs were the trade that I should have took. I didn't put my stops all the way down here. There's no way, because I got a 2R at my first take profit. What did I do? Oh, yeah. So we ended up getting this pullback, and then we got this displacement. I didn't just enter right after my first L. So we got this displacement. I entered on this order block, had stops below here. And then I did take profit at the highs. I should have took half off. I don't know why I didn't. But I took I had 8 contracts. I took 2 off here. And I ended up taking another 2 off here. I was holding 4 for this. And then I got break even stopped. So because I took stupid trades prior, today should have easily been a green day off this trade. I'm not mad at these longs. It was one of those times where I entered on this candle, by the way. I didn't enter on this one. So I entered on this candle. It's 3 minutes before the macro. This is one of those scenarios where I'm okay with entering a couple minutes before the macro, because I'm assuming if I'm right, when the macro starts, it'll deliver. You know what I mean? So I didn't think that we would dip and disrespect this gap and then deliver, because it just doesn't really make sense. But just unfortunate price action. But the shorts really shouldn't have happened. That definitely shouldn't have happened. So even if I took that first long, because I got him with light size, as long as I didn't take that stupid short, I still would have been in profit on the day. So just stupid trades, unfortunately. Trading daily profiles mechanically on that second trade, shouldn't be doing that. And then, yeah, this trade was really good, though. I really like this trade. This trade is exactly what I should have been taking. So that was a good trade. But, yeah, down less than 1 hour in the day. I'm not really that mad, so is what it is. And then for the rest of the day, I don't expect much, except I do actually expect this high up here to book, but it's just going to be slow and choppy. It's not worth trading. So that's really it. That's really it out of me. What do you guys got for me in the Discord? Any questions or anything? Yeah, I wanted the 1 hour high too. Yeah, it's a good trade. It's managed well. Oh, man. Unfortunate stuff. Actually, not unfortunate. I'm not going to lie. My psychology's been trash, and I, like, immediately cleaned it up. And then today, my losing day was half the size of all my winning days. So I'm actually really happy with this week. Like, I'm okay with this week for sure. Today was just an avoidable red day, but I already studied, I already reviewed, so I'm not mad. Yeah, today was definitely a day where we could have not touched the charts. I really don't hate these longs. Like, attempting longs was not bad. Just because, just look at the 1 hour, bro. Like, this is literal just perfection. And the 4 hour. It's just perfectly set up for a long. But, it is a Friday, practically a no-news Friday. Shorts, definitely, on my end, I definitely shouldn't even have attempted shorts, like 100%. So that's the only thing that I would change about today. It is what it is. And honestly, I might cut pre-macro trades altogether. Like, even these little early ones. Cause that's kind of crazy. Like, I'm genuinely okay with entering like 2 to 3 minutes before the macro. Cause like I said, I just expect it to deliver. But it's just another day where even though it looked like it should have been fine, if I just waited till the macro, I at least would have avoided that L. Even if I still ended up taking these shorts, I would have at least avoided that. So I'm just gonna make it a hard rule to just actually not do that. Yeah, and that's why I do it too, because like when the structure is obvious, it's not like 950 is just immediately gonna go into the PD ray and then go. It's like if we're already in the PD ray, it's just gonna start delivering where it's supposed to. So that's why I'm like okay with entering a couple minutes before. But like a day like today where we're more choppy, it's kind of just unfortunate that we inversed this gap and then went and delivered and got my stop loss like to a tick. It's not much I could really do about that. It's just unfortunate. But yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting crumble cookie today. I found out PR has crumble cookie, and I want to give it a taste test. I hadn't had crumble cookie in like a year, so taste test TikTok coming. But yeah, I'm out YouTube.